Hello, welcome to Equity ETF Picks, a new video series where we explore sector by sector which ETFs are looking strong and give you direct ETF picks for immediate action. Today, I'll take you through our top ETF picks from 4 trending sectors. So make sure you watch this video till the end. ETFs or exchange traded funds are simple, affordable securities that give you exposure to a basket of assets in a single transaction. ETFs are passive investment vehicles that aim to grow wealth long term at a steady momentum. I am Thomas Abraham, research analyst. Let's get started. To kick things off, we have the consumption sector. ETFs in this sector offer diversified exposure to India's domestic demand story. It has a strong discretionary tilt that benefits from rising incomes, urbanization, premiumization, and a shift towards higher spending on automobiles, consumer durables, travel, and lifestyle goods. While near-term inflation fears continue, which could lead to demand fluctuations, it provides an opportunity to accumulate taking into account India's long-term growth story. Since these funds are index-based, they tend to be transparent, low-cost, and easy to hold for the long-term thematic exposure without complete sector concentration. Our top picks for this sector are Nippon India ETF Nifty India Consumption Bs, ICICI Prudential Nifty India Consumption ETF, and Mirae Asset Nifty India New Age Consumption ETF. On the screen is a glimpse of their performance figures. Let's move on to the pharmaceutical sector. India's pharmaceutical sector offers a compelling combination of resilience and long-term growth potential, making pharma ETFs suitable for investors looking to get exposure to this sector. Several sectoral tailwinds underpin the sector's outlook: an expanding domestic healthcare market driven by an aging population, rising prevalence of lifestyle and chronic diseases, and rising per capita health expenditure. One of our ETF picks focus on exposure to leading pharmaceutical names through the Nifty Pharma Index, while the second casts a wider net across the broader healthcare universe via the Nifty Healthcare Index. Our top picks for this sector are Nippon India Nifty Pharma ETF, ICICI Prudential Nifty Healthcare ETF, and Mirae Asset Nifty 500 Healthcare ETF. You will once again see the performance figures on our screen. The next sector on our radar is banking. Banking carries a significant weight in broader indices, and having a dedicated sector exposure allows investors to more deliberately tilt towards the theme when the macro and credit cycle outlook is favorable. ETFs ensure this is done efficiently with low expense ratios than active funds, strong on-exchange liquidity, and tight tracking error given the index's inherent liquidity profile. For investors who hold a constructive view on India's credit growth trajectory and the broader financial sector over the medium to long term, ETFs in this sector represent a practical and cost-efficient way to express that conviction passively. Our top picks for this sector are ICICI Prudential Nifty Bank ETF, Aditya Birla Sun Life BSE Top 10 Banks Index, and Mirae Asset Nifty Bank ETF. Check these ETF numbers on the screen. Finally, let's look at Nifty 50. Investing in a Nifty 50 ETF represents a straightforward and low-cost avenue for gaining broad-based exposure to the Indian equity market. By holding stakes in the 50 largest and most liquid companies on NSE, investors effectively own a slice of India's most established business spanning sectors such as banking, technology, consumer staples, energy, and more, all within a single instrument. One of the more compelling aspects of passive index investing is the cost advantage. With expense ratios considerably lower than those of actively managed funds, a greater share of returns stay with the investor meaningfully, improving outcomes over a long holding period through the power of compounding. Our top picks for this sector are SBI Nifty 50 ETF, UTI Nifty 50 ETF, Nippon India ETF Nifty 50 Bs, and Mirae Asset Nifty 50 ETF. So what's your take on our recommended sector and funds? Which ones are you looking to add to your portfolio soon? Let us know in the comments. For more ETF recommendations, ready-made ETF portfolios, and active investment picks, visit research.sharekhan.com or scan the QR code on the screen to start your 15-day free trial for non-customers. Thank you for watching and happy investing.
Investment in securities market is subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.